Hello viewers, welcome to our Digital Seekers channel. I'm Phani, your host. I'll help you through your journey as a digital seeker. So what is in it for you as a viewer in the Digital Seekers channel? We at Digital Seekers channel will help you understand the past, present and future of various technologies in the computing and communication space, tips and tricks in learning some complex topics like Docker, graph databases, indexing for better performance, etc. and provide some critical decision guidelines in the technology related learning and contribution. Stay tuned to learn more and keep your Digital Seekers hand always on, because the only constant in IT is change. Please hit the subscribe button to get notified about our future videos, and please don't forget to comment what you want to learn in the technology space so that we can plan for that in our upcoming videos. Keep seeking. Until the next time, bye bye.